SIT files 3,500-page charge sheet in Zubin Garg case. 7 accused named after months of investigation. Who was Zubin Garg? Why did his voice become the heartbeat of Assam? Why did millions across the state mourn when he died suddenly in Singapore on September 19, 2025? The fact is that Zubin was not just a singer. He was a representative of Assam's culture, a thread between festivals, streets and homes. Months of wait, full of questions, hope and demands for justice by the people of Assam today yielded as a 3,500-page charge sheet was filed by the Special Investigation Team in his mysterious death case. What does that filing imply? Let's look in some detail. Over 300 witness statements recorded by the SIT. Key sections invoked including murder and conspiracy. The charge sheet presented before the CJM Court Guwahati by the SIT under Assam Police CID had statements of more than 300 witnesses, forensic evidence and detailed findings from several arrests at 11:29 am. 7 names have come forward. Shyam Kanu Mahanta, Siddharth Sharma, Amrit Prabha Mahanta, Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, DSP Sandipan Garg and PSOs Paresh Vaishya and Nandeshwar Bora. 2 cases have been registered, one for murder under IPC sections 103-106 and another under section 105 BNS for financial irregularities. The charge sheet details grounds for criminal conspiracy, culpable homicide and related offences. Fans and family renew call for justice in Assam. Court proceedings begin as state awaits the truth. Thousands of fans gathered outside the court today, echoing the demand for justice by the state. The social media campaigns such as Justice for Zubin have also continued to amplify the public voice. Joy, identity and unity were the catch points that Zubin Garg's voice gave Assam. Today's charge sheet is an important step toward accountability, truth and closure. As the Assam court proceedings get underway, Assam looks on with hope that finally justice will be done to this singer who was and will be the heartbeat of the state. News Desk report, Such the Reality.